Imagine a world where your gaming, movie, or the work experience can be bigger than life. A couple of years ago, we couldn't imagine we're gonna wear one day the sunglasses, which is built-in 320 inches screens and also entire sound system with the voice command. Alright, today we're going to take a look at the XReal Beam Pro. Runs on the Android, and anything you find from the Play Store, you can just install those applications and you're going to run without any problems. Starting from the smart house, you can turn on, turn off the lights. You can use as the book reader. You can use this is like MP3 player, listening to music, or you just the browsing your social media, all that stuff. Also, the front camera is also capable. You can do any streaming or the live streaming, all that stuff with this device, like as a secondary camera or the main camera, right? This device is very capable device for being itself, but this also have a special video cameras. It's located like your eye width, so you're gonna give you the spatial audio and the pictures at the same time, right? You can do the separate. And this is the video quality. Also, it's gonna be recording at the 1080p up to 60 frames per second, or the 4K, two different wide angle lens. So the camera system is great, but you cannot compare with the Apple's latest camera system or the Samsung latest camera system. But being like a backup camera, you can create great contents with this camera and make it great shots. The battery life is going to last for the long sessions without any problems. You can even they're advertising like a 7 hours the view just on the X Beam Pro, or with the glasses it's going to be 3.5. But I can cut the brightness of the 50% or less than 50%, but because the glass is very nice and bright, the display is very clean. So my battery life, it's without any problems. Like I was watching like more than 4 hours, and I didn't have any problems with the battery lives. Also, speakers are very nice and cleaner. A lot of people are saying I didn't have the previous models, previous generations, but a lot of people saying the speakers is upgraded. But I like it. I wish they had a little bit louder on my test, because when you're listening to outside with the loud environment. I'm watching that actually in the full brightness right now, and I can see my application, everything, all the screens. But if you want a more dark, you're gonna just click here, and I can have a lot nicer, but still I can see through in the second level, right? So you can come to with your laptop, your workstation, you can enjoy your listening to music through the seeing your all the emails, anything, the work you do, you can see it. And also see through what's this ultimate multitasking, right? Or if you want to do darker and you want to see everything clean, another click, it's going to be totally dark. So it's going to be nice, clean watching the movies, your favorite UFC, anything like that. And as you can see, like a 320-inch screen right there. The body anchor, so you can make the screen on the one spot, so it's going to be there all the time by one click on the top, this orange button. Or screen is going to be follow your face. That's going to be a little disruption, right? My favorite, it's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click and the body anchor the screen, not the follow smooth, right? So every time if I'm talking with you, some person, every time I look here, the huge screen stays there. I can listen to audio, I can see the screen, or I can watch surround me. It's if anything's happened, I can have conversations while I'm watching my favorite UFC right there on a 320-inch screen, right? This is amazing technology.